Guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm doing this makeup look and I am using some new products that OFRA sent me. They sent me their OFRA times Samantha Marsh collection. So this is a new collection right here. Highlighter called Start Inspired, which is a beautiful pink and champagne color highlighter. So pretty, you guys, and I use that pinkish color as my highlight on my eyebrows, and I also pop that champagne color in the corners of my tear ducts. Also, they have the bronzer duo River, which is a beautiful brown shade, and I use that lighter brown as my highlights on my cheeks, also down the bridge of my nose. The blush, which I did not put the blush on yet, but I'm going to put the blush on right now, which is called Click Lit. And let's pop some on right now on the apples of my cheeks. And you guys look and see, that is so pretty, y'all. Look at that. You don't even need a lot, because I didn't even put on a lot on my brush, and it is so pretty. And it's not too strong. Looks like it's just right for my complexion, which is crazy because I can never find blushes that look natural on my skin tone. So that looks really good. And they did send 2 lippies. So the first lippy that they sent is going to be called Story, and that's the one I have on my lips right now. Such a pretty neutral color. They also have, this one is a glittery color and it's called Millie, and I'm going to pop some on right now just to give my lips some extra shine. This is a matte finish, so this is going to glaze me up. And I think that's so cool, like if you want to just make your lips pop, to just put this on, and you can tell this can work with any matte lip color that you want. Like, it's so nice, and it just gives your lips a lot of shine too. So beautiful, beautiful. So they sent me this, and I wanted to make sure that I did this video for you guys, because I have nothing but time on my hands since the whole United States is in quarantine right now. Go ahead and keep watching. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. Don't forget to give me a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.